Hello everyone, welcome to our financial accounting class. So today we'll discuss the one more problem. So the question number is 14. Here the question is, on 1st April 2006, the Tirupati Industries bought a machine from HMT Limited on hire purchase system. The cash price of the machine was rupees 37,250 and the payment was to be made as follows. Rupees 10,000 on signing the agreement and the balance in 3 yearly installments of rupees 10,000 each on 31st March every year. So here the cash price of the machine 37,250, down payment is 10,000 and 3 yearly installments of rupees 10,000 each. Now the HMT Limited charges interest at 5% per annum and Tirupati Industries writes off 10% every year on reducing balance system, that is depreciation. Now we need to prepare journal entries and then open necessary accounts in the books of Tirupati Industries under asset accrual method. Right? Now we need to prepare journal entry as well as the ledger accounts. So before going for the journal entry, we need to prepare 3 stages of the accounts under asset accrual method. So that is cash price of each installment and interest for each installment and then depreciation. So already we have discussed under asset accrual method, whenever you are going to prepare a journal entry, you need to prepare all these 3 stages. Now we will discuss the stage 1 interest calculation in each installment. So here the cash price of the machine 37,250 and the down payment is 10,000. So the balance amount will be 27,250 and then interest rate is 5% per annum. So 5% for 27,250, you will get 1,363, right? Once you add the interest with the outstanding balance, you will get the total value of 28,613, and then we need to minus the first installment paid amount. That is 10,000. So you will get 18,613. Now we need to add second year interest of 5%. It will come 931. So total will be 19,544. And then this second installment amount 10,000. So balance due will be 9,544. Now third installments also they paying 10,000. So here we need to take as per the conditions balancing figure because the installment values are equal and third year also you are going to pay 10,000 only. So instead of calculating the 5% of interest, we need to take the balancing figure as a interest for third year. So 10,000 minus 9,544, you will get 456. Right? So this is how we need to calculate interest for each installment value. Now we can move on to the second stage, calculation of depreciation. So here the cash price of the machine 37,250 and depreciation under diminishing balance method. So first year no change, 10% that you can take for cash price, you will get 3,725 and balance 33,525. Now for second year depreciation 10% you need to calculate for the outstanding balance of 33,525. So you will get 3,353. Now the third year balance is 30,172 and we need to calculate 10% of depreciation under diminishing balance, you will get 3,017. So now the asset value will be 27,155 after 3 years. Now we can move on to the third stage for calculating the cash price of each installment. So installment value minus interest. For first installment you are paying 10,000 and interest will be 1,363. So the cash price for the first installment will be 8,637. Now for second installment 10,000 minus 931, the cash price is 9,069 and third installment 10,000 minus 456, cash price will be 9,544. Now we are getting all the values to pause the journal entry and to create ledger accounts. Now we can move on to the fourth stage to create journal entries. So first journal entry we are going to create for making the down payments. So down payment is paid 10,000 when they got an agreement. So machinery account data to bank account. Now the second journal entry is for installment due, right? So the installment amount will be 10,000 and this 10,000 includes cash price of the first installment and interest for the first installment. So cash price will be 8,637 and interest amount 1,363. And third one is now being the payment of installment is paid, right? So HMT limited debit and to bank account that is 10,000. Then fourth one for depreciation. So depreciation account data to machinery account rupees 3,725 for debit and credit. And last one for transferring the interest and depreciation to profit and loss account. So here interest account credit, depreciation account credit. So both the values we are having here and you need to add together to get the profit and loss account value. So 1,363 plus 3,725, you will get 5,088 as a profit and loss account value. So for the first year, we will get all these 5 journal entries, and second year, third year, apart from the first entry, all the 4 journal entry will repeat. Now this is for the first year from 2006 to 2007. Now we will move on to the second year for 2008. So first entry is for installment due, that is machinery account data, interest account data to hire vendor account. And second entry for payment of second installment, HMP limited account data to bank account 10,000. Then third entry for depreciation account data to machinery account, that's for the second year, depreciation value of 3,353. And fourth one is for transferring the interest and depreciation to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account data 4,284. How it comes? Interest account 931, depreciation account 3,353. So if you add both the value, you get 4,284. Now for third year, again we are going to calculate. We are going to pass the journal entry with the help of the previous values. Now being third installment due will be 10,000 and this 10,000 includes machinery account 9,544, that's debit, and interest debit 456. Second entry for making the third installment amount. So HMT limited data 10,000 to bank account data credit 10,000. Third entry for being depreciation charge, depreciation account 3,017 and to machinery account 3,017. And last journal entry for transferring the interest and depreciation to profit and loss account. So interest account credit 456, depreciation account credit 3,017. So together in profit and loss account, you are going to debit 3,473. Right now we pass journal entries for all the 3 installments. Now we can move on to the ledger accounts. So ledger accounts we can create first one for machinery accounts. So ledger accounts always will have the debit columns and credit columns. So debit column will have 3 columns. One is date, particulars, amount. At the same way for credit also date, particulars, and amount. So we first machinery account will start with the opening balance. So for 1/4/2006, he is paying 10,000 rupees as a down payment. Right. So to bank account 10,000, and then we charge a depreciation of 3,725 for the first year, and then he paid the cash price of rupees 8,637 for machinery, right? So machinery accounts, down payment we paid, and then cash price of the machine for the first installment we paid. So both the amount we are going to add together, 18,637 you will get, and credit side, we have charged only depreciation, that is 3,725. So now we need to tally the total, so you will get the difference value of 14,912, that is by balance carried out. Now we are going to transfer the same balance for the next year, so it will be the opening balance for 2007, 1/4/2007, the opening balance, that is balance brought down 14,912, and then cash price paid 9,069 for the second year, and depreciation charge 3,353 under credit side. So total will be 23,981 in debit side. So credit side, so we need to write the same total and find out the difference value you will get 20,628 as a balancing figure. This will be balance carried on for second year. And this balance you are going to transfer to the next year, third year. So 1/4/2008, the balance brought down will be 20,628, and then cash price paid for third installment will be 9,544. And again, you are going to add the total 30,172 at the debit side. Then credit side depreciation charge 3,017, and total is 30,172. So the balancing figure will be 27,155. That is balance carried out, and this will be the opening balance for the next year. So this is machinery account, and now we will see the hire vendor account. So here the hire vendor will be HMT Limited, right? So here again for ledger we are following the same format. So here the installment value is paid for the first year is 10,000 rupees. So this installment value include cash price and interest. So debit side to bank account 10,000, credit side machinery account 8,637, and interest account 1,363. So the both the balance will get tally for the first year, and second year also the same because the installment value is same, no changes. Only the interest and cash price values will get changed. So to bank account 10,000 and machinery account 9,069, interest account 931. So total will be 10,000. And third year also same 10,000 we are paying, and machinery account is 9,544. Interest will be 456. So total we are getting 10,000 each for all the three installments. Now we will go for third one, interest accounts. So interest account, how much interest we are paying for each installment. So first year you are paying 1,363. So in interest account, you are going to debit the HMT Limited hire vendor accounts. So to HMT Limited 1,363, and credit side profit and loss account 1,363. So in profit and loss account we are going to debit the interest accounts, right? So the total also will be same 1,363 for both the side debit and credit. And second year we are paying interest of 931. So debit side for HMT Limited 931, and credit side for profit and loss account 931. Third year also the same, interest rate will be 456. Debit side to HMT Limited 456, and credit side profit and loss account 456. Now the final one is for depreciation. So depreciation accounts. So machinery account we are having for the first year depreciation will be 3,725, and credit side it will be going, we are going to transfer the same amount to profit and loss account. So it will be 3,725. So total will be same. And for second year also the same, depreciation will be 3,353, and profit and loss account also we are going to transfer the same depreciation of 3,353. And third year the depreciation value for the machinery is 3,017, and profit and loss account also same 3,017. So hope you understand these concepts. We will discuss the next problem with the next video. Thank you.